Hey guys, how are you? I just thought I'd pop in here at 36 Hetherington Road and give you guys a final showing of the property now before all the changes take place. So Mum and Dad bought this place, part of the church when they were ministering here in the Ranui Congregational Christian Church back in the early 90s. From memory, 92, 93. So I lived here and I grew up here before Mum and Dad retired a few years ago, and the church was taken over by another minister. Now, since then, the church property has been sold, and it's been sold to a development company who are going to build, from what I understand, about 26 houses here. As you can see, it's a bit more of a construction site, and there's a lot of work going on there. But the hall at the back is going up north, and so is the top level of the main house. So very interesting. At least it's not going to waste. Thought I'd just take you guys through before the building finally goes. Hey guys, well that's it. That's the walkthrough of 36 Hetherington Road. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like this kind of content, please click the like button below, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a single video that I bring out on this channel. And with that said, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video.